turning on the machine. So turning on the machine is done on the switch on the transformer by switching it upwards. That's gonna switch on the transformer, switch on the PC, switch on everything on the machine. Now we have to wait for the PC to boot up. Once we get to this window, we have to hit space, then input the password that is written next to the machine. The password is going to be BIESSE at capital W10. Hit enter, and now we wait for the machine to boot all the programs.
About how many programs are running for the machine to operate?
The visual software is just one, but behind it we have the PLC, we have the WRT that's actually helping the machine to communicate with the PC itself. And we only have to worry about the actual visual software, which is going to be Biesse.
Okay.
So right now we are waiting for the Biesse to load. Still loading the B suite. Alright, once you see this window right here, that means the machine has loaded all the softwares. First step that we have to do after this is going to be minimize the visual software, and then we have to pull out the quote window, which is right here. This is the window that we are starting with. Make sure that the global homing is selected by the black square, blue square. Then we have to switch on the machine, so we're giving the power on the green button. Wait for it to stop blinking. Once it's fixed, now we can hit start button and start button one more time. That is going to home the machine. Now the machine is moving. It's actually going back to the zero position.
I see. So like one click, pause, another click.
Correct. The way we know that the machine has done homing is if this square switch to the automatic. If it moves to the automatic, it means the machine is home.
I see. Okay. Yep.
Now this means the machine is ready to work.
Are we concerned with this errors dialog?
Error dialog is there. That happen. Some of the errors happen during the machine boot up procedure. To see if these errors are still active, we can just clear them. If nothing happens, it means we don't have any active errors right now.
So it's like a temporary error. Okay.
Now we can stop this one. Because right now the machine is ready to work.
Is our X, Y, Z coordinates, are they always the same or do they vary?
They move depending on where the machine is.
Okay, is home always there?
Home is always there.
Okay. Okay.
And now because the machine is ready to work, we can load the programs and run them on the machine. But we're gonna make that in a separate video.
Okay.
So that's gonna be your this is gonna be your startup video. So starting up, homing the machine. Now the machine is ready to
Now we're ready. Next step. Okay. Thanks.